I'm so ready.
Lazada, lowest price, add to cart. Lazada.
So now I would like to talk about the Lazada. Okay, Lazada was established in 2011 and Lazada was privately owned e-commerce company founded by Rocket Internet. So product that available in Lazada are electronic and gadgets, clothes, sports requirements, toy, health products. Okay, so the background of Lazada, firstly in 2014, Lazada Group handled sites in many countries and had increased about 647 US dollar million over some investment rounds from the investors. So the site started in March 2012 with a business model of dealing inventory to customers from its own warehouse. In 2013, marketplace model accepted third-party retailers to sell their products at Lazada site, and it counts 65% of its sales by the end of 2014. And in April 2016, Alibaba Group purchased a managing stake in Lazada to help Alibaba's international expansion plans. In August 2018, Lazada is the biggest e-commerce operator in Southeast Asia, found on average monthly web visits. Lastly, in September 2019, Lazada stated that it was the top e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia with more than 50 million active buyers every year. Okay, for the workers of Lazada, about 8,000 plus employees working at Lazada company. There are 8 departments that manage Lazada companies, which is commercial department, marketing department, technology, artificial intelligence and product department, security and risk management department, supply chain and logistics department, corporate function department, customer care department, and lastly is strategy and management department. Okay, for the profit, in 2012, Lazada website soft launched in Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and Vietnam. In 2014, Lazada launched in Singapore. Marketplace platform accounted for more than 65% of overall sales. Net operating loss of $152.5 million on net revenue of $154.3 million, and 38% is of GMV, which is gross merchandise volume. In 2015, customer preference of physical stores became a big challenge for growth. GMV above $1 million. In 2016, Lazada recorded a total of $1.36 billion in annual GMV. Alibaba announced the intention of gaining controlling interest with an investment of $1 billion. In 2017, Alibaba Group increased investment by another $1 billion, raising stakes from 51% to 83%. And in addition, 12 sale alone generated $250 million of GMV. In 2018, Alibaba Group invested another $2 billion and replaced the CEO. And lastly is in 2020, Pierre Poinan was displaced by Chun Li as CEO of Lazada.
Scale of the data Lazada manage. Okay, the type of data Lazada manage is structured data, which is data is normally organized in smaller chunks and have the same predefined format. It is also suitable to point of sales data, web server log, sensory data from GPS and so on. Details type of data management by Lazada. It captures, synthesizes the lowest denomination in the data word and fed to algorithms and human decision maker. It's also velocity at which data is processed and utilized. Data management by Lazada also understands both the nature of raw data gathered and the input needs of the system. Lazada also use data enablement and data security. They also documenting and achieving the data and metadata. Do you want to know how many customer and product that Lazada produce? Okay, Lazada has 65 million customers, and also Lazada has 2,000 brands. So, do you expect what is Lazada's revenue? Lazada's revenue is estimated at $1 billion. Do you want to know why Lazada implement data management? It is because overall performance on various business metrics. It also valuable business insight through SKU level data. They also update on what customers are interested in and also improve processing efficiency and data quality. Okay, the reason data management is important because it ensures data for analysis are of high quality so that conclusions are correct. Okay, this is formula how Lazada get their revenue. The equation is revenue equal to traffic multiply price per buyer multiple conversion rate. The first thing you need to do is to set a target or goal for each of your focus point. To ensure maximum results, it will be best to think of one broad yearly goal and then break it down to monthly, weekly, and daily targets. Then you can brainstorm possible work of action that you can perform geared toward reaching your goals. Okay, for instance, you can join campaign or use sponsor product to increase your traffic. Perhaps you can also utilize bundle or voucher to make your product price more attractive to customer or to upsell or cross-sell other complementary products. As far as conversion rate is concerned, you can also update your product listing to make it more clear what customers are receiving. Okay, once you have settled on a strategy, it is time to select which product you want to apply it to. In terms of traffic, you might want to focus on high revenue SKUs. Meanwhile, you can focus for your voucher and bundles on SKUs that are not competitive. By doing so, you will be able to boost the overall performance of Lazada sales channels.
Next, the benefits of data management to Lazada. First, able to create the highest customer value and maintain it. Second, can fulfill the needs and desires of customers. And the last one is help to increase in revenue and internet users. This is because when there is increase in revenue and the internet users, the market potential of Lazada will increase too. Next, Big Data Technology Implementation in Lazada. The implementation of Big Data Technologies in Lazada is to boost the customer experience. Heidenberg, who at the Big Data team of Lazada, is responsible for handling many things such as data science, data engineering, search, and data tools. Big Data Technologies allows Lazada to monitor the amount of data arriving in their system, especially during their birthday sale and online revolution event. During this time, they experience new sign-ups and existing shoppers who are pre-planning ahead of the sale. This information will help Lazada to refine the online shopping experience so that they can see an increase in data range around 5 to 10 times through their server. And next one is Big Data Technologies allows Lazada to understand more about the buying decisions on their customer, such as help them make the best buying decision. Heidenberg said that when we see something that can potentially help us solve a problem and enhance the customer's experience, we must not afraid to explore it, which is should take advantage of the offerings of big data solutions such as cheap data storage. That's all from us. Thank you.